Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import data into QuickBooks Online seamlessly. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or just someone looking to streamline your bookkeeping, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Click on the Sign In button and select QuickBooks Online from the available options. Enter your username and password, then click Continue to securely log in and access all the features necessary for importing your data. Dashboard, go to the Settings option in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Import Data. This section lets you bring in various entries and information into your account with ease. From the list of options, choose Journal Entries. It's important to select the correct data type to avoid mistakes. Next, click Import and upload your prepared CSV file from your computer. CSV is the standard format for importing data because it preserves the integrity of your columns and rows. After uploading, QuickBooks Online will process the file. When the next button appears, click it to go to the Mapping Fields page. This step is crucial. You'll need to make sure that the information in your CSV file aligns perfectly with QuickBooks fields. Take your time, review each field, and confirm everything is correct. Once everything is mapped, click Import. Watching your data transfer seamlessly into QuickBooks is always satisfying. After the import is confirmed, double-check your entries to ensure everything transferred accurately. And that's it. You've successfully imported your journal entries into QuickBooks Online, making financial management simpler and more efficient. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.